Hello, Chef here with some more sharpening tips and tricks for you. What do we have here? We have a sharpening stone on top of my beautiful butcher block. Oh yeah. And at the same time, I want to show you the clip, the guide clip, very special clip. Stainless steel, plastic line, goes around the knife, no damage. I like it. Sharpening stone, 8,000 grit. This baby's made in Japan. You can't go wrong. I love it. You want to use a lesser grit, I would say, okay, drop it down to a 3,000 or 1,500, but for quality knives, this is what you need. This is a special wide knife here. It's in between a chef knife and a cleaver. I really like it. You can find more information on this exact knife at the sponsor right there. They're having a sale on these. I like the fact it's pretty thick. It's got a nice full tang. It's forged, riveted handles, polished pretty good. This knife will last you forever if you take care of it. So it's brand new. It's sharp, right? Well, let's check it. Piece of paper here. Yeah, it's not that sharp. It's cutting the paper, but not easily. So, I'm going to show you two ways to get it sharper. The first one is to put the clip on the back of the knife like this. Going to get it through like this right here. This is nice. It doesn't scratch the knife. And this gives me the exact angle I'm looking for. Right there, okay? And then I can follow that angle and repeat through there. Now, a lot of you are thinking, well, the sharpening stone should be wet. Well, you're right. It should be wet. So we're going to put a little bit of water right on top like this. Just a little bit. A few drops is all we need. A little bit of water. Okay. Just like that. Now, I've got my angle, and I'm going to go from the back to the front like that. And I'm going to repeat on the other side. Got my angle right there. I think that knife is sharper. Let's check it out. We're going to wipe it off carefully, very carefully. Okay, no scratches, no damage. It's looking good. We're going to check it on a piece of paper once more. Another piece of paper here. It's sharper. A little bit. Now I got one more step for you to make this knife really sharp. And that is the custom-made leather strop. Yeah, you can only get this at one place. That's your sponsor there. So I'm just going to take and polish the back like this. Repeat. Alright, now I'm going to check it on the paper. See what we got going on here now. Yep, it's definitely sharper. You can just notice the edge of the blade is biting in a little bit better. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. Score all the products at your sponsor right there. They're having a sale on the knives. You can get the clips, the stones, leather strop. I love it. I use this constantly on my paring knives, boning knives, pocket knives, fillet knives. Makes a great gift. This is only like 20 bucks, I believe. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Kukina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. The finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. To apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. The butcher block treatment. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basils looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. Nothing but high quality. Buy quality the first time. Blueberries. I like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. You're gonna like it. so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.